Have you ever considered using wood log pieces as furniture material? Using wood logs in furniture making offers a multitude of benefits that extend beyond mere aesthetics. This natural material brings warmth, beauty, and a sense of connection to nature that many synthetic materials cannot replicate. The advantages of using wood logs in furniture making encompass environmental sustainability, durability, unique design possibilities, and emotional resonance, making it a favored choice for artisans and consumers alike. One of the foremost benefits of using wood logs is their sustainability. When sourced responsibly, wood can be a renewable resource, especially when harvested from managed forests. Sustainable forestry practices ensure that trees are replanted and ecosystems are preserved, allowing for a continuous supply of wood without depleting natural resources. This environmentally friendly aspect appeals to consumers who are increasingly conscious of their ecological footprint. By choosing furniture made from wood logs, individuals can support sustainable practices and contribute to the preservation of forests and wildlife. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood log furniture ideas for your home and patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to sustainability, wood logs offer inherent durability and strength. When properly treated and maintained, wood furniture can last for generations. Unlike synthetic materials that may degrade over time, wood has a natural resilience that allows it to withstand wear and tear. This longevity translates to better value for consumers, as well-crafted wooden pieces do not need to be replaced frequently. The durability of wood also means that it can endure the rigors of daily use, making it an ideal choice for functional furniture pieces. The unique characteristics of wood logs also allow for distinctive design opportunities. Each log possesses its own grain pattern, color variations, and texture, which can result in one-of-a-kind furniture pieces. This uniqueness appeals to consumers who seek individuality in their home decor. The ability to create custom designs based on the natural features of the wood grants artisans the freedom to explore their creativity and craftsmanship. From rustic, organic shapes to sleek, modern lines, wood log can be manipulated in various ways to achieve different aesthetic outcomes. Furthermore, the versatility of wood logs enables artisans to experiment with a range of styles and techniques. Wood can be carved, shaped, and joined in countless ways, allowing for diverse applications in furniture making. Artisans can combine different species of wood logs to create striking contrasts in color and texture, enhancing the visual appeal of their creations. This adaptability makes wood logs suitable for a wide range of furniture types, from traditional to contemporary designs, ensuring that they can meet the demands of various consumer preferences. In addition to their aesthetic qualities, wood logs offer practical benefits in terms of maintenance. Wooden furniture is often easier to clean and maintain compared to synthetic alternatives. With proper care, wood can be kept in excellent condition for many years. Regular dusting, occasional polishing, and the use of protective finishes can help preserve the beauty of wooden pieces. Unlike materials that may require special cleaning products or techniques, wood is generally straightforward to care for, making it a practical choice for busy households. Another significant advantage of using wood logs in furniture making is the emotional connection associated with natural materials. Wood has a warmth and tactile quality that resonates with people on a deeper level. It evokes feelings of comfort, nostalgia, and connection to nature. Many individuals associate wooden furniture with childhood memories, family gatherings, and a sense of home. This emotional resonance can enhance the overall experience of living with wooden furniture, as it adds a layer of meaning and personal significance to the pieces within a home. Moreover, the craftsmanship involved in working with wood logs fosters a sense of pride and satisfaction for artisans. The tactile nature of wood encourages hands-on engagement, allowing craftsmen to connect with their materials in a meaningful way. The process of shaping and refining wood logs into beautiful furniture pieces requires skill, patience, and dedication. This craftsmanship not only results in high-quality products, but also provides artisans with a sense of accomplishment and fulfillment. The knowledge that their work contributes to the creation of lasting, meaningful objects can be deeply rewarding. Using wood logs in furniture making also aligns with current design trends that prioritize natural materials and biophilic design principles. As people seek to create spaces that promote well-being and connection to nature, wooden furniture fits seamlessly into this narrative. The natural beauty of wood brings a sense of serenity and grounding to interiors, making them feel more inviting and harmonious. This growing appreciation for nature-inspired design further underscores the relevance and appeal of wood logs in contemporary furniture making. Additionally, wood logs can be an excellent option for those looking to engage in sustainable practices beyond just furniture making. Many artisans are now exploring the use of reclaimed or salvaged wood logs, which not only reduces waste, but also adds character to their creations. Reclaimed wood carries a history and story that can enhance the emotional value of furniture pieces. By repurposing wood that might otherwise end up in landfills, artisans can create stunning, eco-friendly furniture while contributing to a more sustainable future. The economic benefits of using wood logs in furniture making should not be overlooked either. While the initial investment in quality would may be higher than that of synthetic alternatives, the long-term savings associated with durability and maintenance can be significant. Well-crafted wooden furniture has the potential to appreciate in value over time, especially if it is made by skilled artisans or incorporates unique design elements. This potential for value retention makes wooden furniture a wise investment for consumers. Furthermore, the growing demand for handcrafted wooden furniture opens up opportunities for artisans to establish and grow their businesses. As consumers increasingly seek out unique, locally made products, woodworkers can tap into this market by offering distinctive pieces that reflect their craftsmanship and creativity. This demand not only supports local economies, but also encourages a resurgence of traditional woodworking skills and techniques. By investing in their craft, artisans can contribute to a vibrant community of makers and foster a culture of appreciation for handmade goods. In terms of design flexibility, wood logs can also be combined with other materials, allowing for innovative creations that push the boundaries of traditional furniture making. The juxtaposition of wood with metal, glass, or stone can create striking contrasts that enhance the visual interest of furniture pieces. This multi-material approach enables artisans to explore new design possibilities and create functional art that appeals to a wide range of consumers. The ability to blend different materials allows for a more dynamic expression of creativity, resulting in unique pieces that stand out in the marketplace. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood log furniture ideas for your home and patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We'll look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.